And a very happy Saturday morning to you. Today is Saturday, January the 12th, 2019, and we are back to a very beautiful weather pattern for today. We've got intervals of clouds, but mostly sunshine. May have a stray shower or thunderstorm pop up, but nothing that is going to set in and destroy this beautiful weather pattern. Our high right at 80 degrees today, our low at 72. The chance of precipitation is only 20%, and if you see it, it's just going to be passing through. Winds from the east-southeast at 12 miles an hour, and the relative humidity is 63%. Tonight, we only get down to 72. We still got the chance of stray showers, a 20% chance of showers, and then our wind dies down to about 8 miles an hour. Humidity actually increases, though, to 75% overnight. And tomorrow, another beautiful day. High of 80, low of 70, no rain chance. Oh my gosh, the wind is down to 5 miles an hour. You got to go fishing on Sunday if you possibly can. So let's talk about fishing. Speaking of that, we've got atmospheric pressure all over the place today. It's variable, it's falling, and then it's rising. It's going from 30.12 to 30.09, and then back up and back down and all that. So it's just all over the place, which is actually good for fishing normally. Also during the day, just gorgeous. It's just absolutely gorgeous weather. Winds coming from the east-southeast. Going to be a little lower than usual in the afternoon, so getting down below double digits. So if you're looking to head out, that would be the perfect time to do it. Our UV index today is high. It is a 6. So definitely make sure you take your precautions. Water temperature is 74. It's holding steady. We'll see if we see a little bit of a residual drop from our little bit of our day or day and a half of winter that we had this past week. Swells offshore, not really any big deal today. They range from a half a foot to a foot and a half. So nothing you can't handle, nothing I can't handle. So it could be an awesome offshore day. Now, our sunrise today is at 7:13 a.m. and our sunset is at 5:58 p.m. When we look at our tide charts, our first high tide is at 1:13 a.m. and the next high tide is at 2:13 p.m. First low tide, 7:40 a.m. and the next low tide is at 7:51 p.m. We've also got 10 hours and 45 minutes of glorious sunshine today, and our solar transit will happen at 12:35 p.m. Our tidal coefficient is very low today. It's actually average for the rest of the world, but it's low for us. We only have about a foot of difference between our lowest low tide and our highest high tide, actually 0.7 feet. So very, very minimal difference. So you're not going to notice a big shift between the water depths of high tide and low tide. So make sure you put that in your book for the skinny water areas. So if you're looking at salooner activity to decide if you should go out on the water today, well, I'm going to tell you just from a weather perspective, this weekend looks awesome. So make that happen. But if you want to see if the tides and the salooner charts are on your side, let me tell you what you've got. You've got high activity, which is 2 fish activity in the major periods, which are from 5:09 a.m. to 7:09 a.m. and then 5:35 p.m. to 7:35 p.m. Now that second period of major activity is when the lunar transit or the moonrise also coincides with the sunset. So it's going to give it a little bit more intensity of that activity. Minor periods, 11:28 a.m. to 12:28 a.m. and then 11:42 p.m. to 12:42 p.m. You're going to see 1 fish level activity on the fish scale at that time. Overall, if we had to give it a rating today, we're going to be looking at a 1 fish on the fish scale, but that's okay because tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, it's up to 2 fish. So it's been awesome. We've had a great start to our winter fishing season. So things are just really, really biting right now. Hawks Channel is off the charts, so there's just a lot of good reasons to go fishing right now. If you're looking at going offshore, the Gulf Stream is continuing to push a little further offshore. So just be aware of that. It's not anything, not a terrible thing, but that's just the way it's heading right now. So you'll see a little difference in what you find between those areas in the Gulf Stream and those that are not in the Gulf Stream. And then you're also going to be dealing with anywhere from a half a foot to 1.5 foot waves in the Gulf Stream. So again, not terrible, but just be aware of where it is because it can affect your fishing and your chances of having a great catch as well. And seeing what flows by in the Gulf Stream could be your lucky day. So you never know what you're going to run into out there. Sailfish and other things that are coming through for the winter, you might be in the right place at the right time. We've got so much going on in town this weekend. We've got the poker run. We've got the Nautical Flea Market on Big Pine. We've got the Celtic Festival in Marathon. And we have the Wounded Warrior Ride. So traffic on the roads is going to be heavy. So if you have to leave to go anywhere, if you're getting off the rock, make sure you give yourself plenty of time. At the same time, because of heavy traffic on the road, it's the perfect time to head offshore and get out in the water because there's not going to be as many people out there as are going to be on the roads. I guarantee you that. All in all, we're heading into a beautiful weekend. You've woken up in paradise. It's the perfect day to have a perfect day. This weather report is brought to you by 43 Keys Media. To find out what's going on in our beautiful Florida Keys, especially beautiful this time of year, you can visit 43keys.com. Also, you can get this show as an Alexa Flash Briefing as well as other shows as an Alexa Flash Briefing. You can find us on YouTube. You can find us on any podcast app where you listen to your podcast. So everything you want to know about the beautiful Florida Keys can be found at 43keys.com. Have an awesome day.